go through the accessories that come with the 714 XLTE tabletop folder. Jim, can you go through the kit and tell us what each item is used for?
Okay. First of all, on the 714 XLT, I just want to explain that this machine is a 110 volt single phase, but it's a 20 amp machine. And you'll notice that the plug has one horizontal and one vertical plug, and it's a 20 amp receptacle. It needs to be in a 20 amp receptacle. Usually we request a dedicated 20 amp line for the machine. The next thing that you'll see in the accessory kits is a bottle of Sure Wash. Sure Wash is what we recommend to clean the rolls, nothing else. Do not use blanket wash or any type of press wash or press cleaners, because that will void the warranty and it will damage the rolls. The rolls will swell. So we sell this in our parts department, but this is what we recommend to use on the fold rolls. Secondly is the paper stop for the feeder. As you can see here, this is a little magnet. It sits right under the feeder, and what it does is it keeps the sheets from blowing back onto the feeder, which actually helps dramatically on your feeding. Secondly is the Onyx blow tube. This we usually recommend putting it into the blow system, which is the black color line. What that does is that helps put some ions into the feeding system that helps control your static onto the feeder. Next, we will go into the tooling for perf scoring, and the machine comes with one line of score and one line of perf. The perf is a 41 tooth blade. Then you have a score, just a rounded scoring blade, and when you score into a rubber tire. So you will put this on those lower slitter shafts, and depending upon how deep you want to score, you tighten these screws up, and that compresses this little rubber, and that pushes that up tighter onto the score and causing a deeper score into the sheet of paper. Now when you assemble this, you will see you get also a little black support ring. And what that does is that helps hold the pieces together, so that when you put the screws in, it just supports the blades so they don't wobble on you. But that's how you put those on to your tool holder. Then you'll also get some M8 button heads or socket head screws with brass tips. Those go in, and that's what holds your tool holder onto your slitter shafts. The kits also come with an Allen wrench set. These are all metric. The machine is all metric, so this is a metric Allen wrench set, and everything that you would need to adjust the machine is here with this Allen wrench kit. This is your lower anvil. Now this is what you use when you perforate, because you will run your perf blade on the upper shaft, and the lower shaft you will run it into the smooth groove. Whether it's a heavier stock or a lighter stock, you have different size grooves. And this is a stripper for when you perforate. You'll put this on the little bar that goes across your slitter shafts, and you will put this onto the side of the perf blade. Do not put the perf blade in the grooves, because that'll cause problems. You actually want to put this off to the side like this, so that will help strip that sheet of paper off of the perf blade teeth as it's running. Then we have the parts book and the operator's manual. A hard copy comes with the machine, so that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to set the machine up for your first operation. And then it has a warranty card and all the accessories that I just explained to you, individualized, so you can order more.
The manual is also available on our website, www.bomfolder.com.